All right, welcome MegaWhale team. I know I said I didn't have time to do any videos or any trades or posts today, but I found myself a spare hour. So we're going to be going through Bitcoin. Nice and short video, just to summarize what's happening. And as you can see in the chart, we are in this red box, which is a pretty major resistance zone for Bitcoin. This 42,500 to 43,000 range. We can see we did actually drop below it here, which sent us downwards to that $40,000 mark, which we expected. Since then, we've kind of just been ranging in this chop zone. Now, the chop zone is incredibly dangerous to be trading in, and we recommend do not trade in the chop zone if you are a novice trader. You will get absolutely destroyed. All right, this is the area where you will lose the most of your money trading. When we have these large ranges, this is where novice traders get usually shaken out time and time again. All right, so just wait, be patient, assess the charts, and buy back in when the trend is clear. So at the moment, we've kind of broken upwards a little bit into the zone. We can see we've had a nice strong green candle. Now, the question is, what's going to happen next on the immediate term? So there's obviously two scenarios. Both scenarios will lead to quite an explosive move, in my opinion. Scenario number one, which is a bearish scenario, is we are not able to maintain above this now the support. This bottom line is now a support. All right, this 42,500 range-ish is now a short-term, very weak, but still a support. If we do drop below it, we will see a significant drop and a rapid drop down to 40,000-ish, 40,000, 41,000 area again. All right, that's inevitable. If we drop that, we're going to see a quick drop. On the other hand, if we're able to get above this range, this 43,000 range, we will see a pretty significant move upwards. My short-term target will be this resistance, this horizontal resistance. We'll zoom out in a second. You can see the horizontal resistance on that one-day chart, which we'll go to in just a second. But that will be our first target. Now, what happens if we break above that? Well, we covered that in another video. We talked about what would happen if we broke above in another video, and we'd expect to see a move into this next red box, which is at 45,500 to 46,500 range. Now, if we are able to get above that, we're going to 48,000, which is our trigger, and obviously we'll have to reassess the market once any of that occurs. Until that happens, until we clear this immediate red box, the red box we're currently in, we are still very able to make a move back into this yellow zone. So right now is not the time to be trading unless you have a lot of experience, and definitely right now is not the time to be taking long-term positions. Even though, I'm going to say it again, even though a lot of altcoins look very rewarding right now and very almost tempting to purchase because they are quite low, we have to remember that the value of a coin is irrelevant. If the market direction is trending down, the coin will drop as well. It's better to be patient and buy 5% higher and be confident that you've made a good decision and it goes up, than to FOMO in right now just because the coin's cheap and then have potential direction either way. All right. Who cares if you miss out on that 5% if you're going to have a higher chance of making profit at a lower risk? It doesn't mean anything. At the end of the day, buying 5% higher is not going to make a difference to your life. All right. So what is going to make a difference to your life is if you FOMO in now and it crashes 20% because you can't sit on your hands for 2 days. So be patient, take your time. Trading is a long game. We're not here to get billions of dollars overnight. We're here to make consistently smart and logical choices which lead to better risk reward and ultimately more profits over time. All right, guys, that's what we're here for. As always, we're giving you the I can't speak today. I'm sorry. I'm giving you the objective facts. We're not fluffing anything in here. We're not lying. We're just telling you what we see in the market. It's your decision what you do with it. And obviously, we're going to give you our opinions. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a short and sharp one. I really don't have a lot of time today. So I'm just going to pump this one out and keep you guys up to date. Now, tomorrow we do have a bunch of videos coming. We have our VET analysis. We're going to do another Bitcoin update. And I also want to talk about alt season. I know I've had a few requests to talk about, well, do we have a chance of seeing alt season again? Now that a lot of altcoins are moving up, and obviously Bitcoin dominance is kind of flirting around that 40% and dropping down. Will we see altcoins rally? Well, that's a good question, and we're going to be answering that one tomorrow, so stay tuned to the video. All right, team, I will see you in the next one. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, links in the description. And you know what? We might actually do a webcam video pretty soon. I did order a webcam. I want to get into more creative style trading. Let me know some suggestions. I wouldn't mind doing maybe trade with me videos, maybe some live streams, maybe some different stuff like, you know, trading challenges, like take just like $100, $100 or like $1,000 or some small amount and test out different trading strategies for a 24-hour period and just see what the profit is like trading specifically on that mechanical trading strategy. Just for fun, of course, just for entertainment purposes. But let me know if you got any suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one.